Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're going to be unboxing the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 by Pride Mobility, so stay tuned. When you order your GoGo Elite Traveler 2, it might be on a pallet. I've already removed the pallet just for demonstration purposes, but it might be on a pallet. And then you will have these straps going around it. You're going to want to take a knife and cut these straps. Remember to cut upwards on the straps. Do not cut downward and potentially damage your product. And now the box is sealed shut by some tape. Again, be careful when cutting downward. What I like to do is cut the outside first. And then once that's cut, we can lift these flaps up and then cut down into the middle. This gives us a little extra room so we don't cut into the product. Now there is a protective piece of cardboard in the way, but still I would recommend doing it that way. I don't want you to cut into anything. So we open it up. I'm going to try to tilt it so you can see. So we have our charger, some of our arms, seat post, and then the scooter is underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the arms. We've got our charger here. Got our seat post. Then our owner's manual. It also has our keys. And then under that piece of foam, you can see the battery pack here, and then we have our front basket here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the tiller up on the scooter. There's a knob on the right-hand side at the base of the scooter. If you loosen that, you can bring the tiller up. Then I'm going to tighten it again. Then underneath that, I'll show you again, is our seat right here. So I'm going to pull the seat out. And now, there's a couple of ways to get this out of the box. If you have two people, you can have someone pick up the front and the rear, pick it up, and then get it out. You might even be able to do it yourself. It's not that heavy of a scooter. So you can have someone lift it up. But the easiest way I've found to do it is to grab your knife. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut the corners of the box. So again, make sure there's nothing in the way. There is no scooter anywhere near the corner, so I'm safe to do this. And we're just going to cut the sides of the box up. And now you can see our scooter. So I can just slide that forward, lift it up, and just remove that foam. From here, we can put the scooter into neutral with this back lever right here. It's a yellow lever. Put it in the unlock position. And then we can just roll it right out of the box. Just like that. So now I'm going to take a moment, clean up all of the mess that I've made, and then we will get to assembling the scooter. I've got all the pieces unboxed here. We have our charger, our owner's manual, we have our two arms, seat post, we have our seat here, and then our basket and our battery pack. The first thing we're going to do is mount the seat post. So it looks like this. There's 4 different height options that you have, and it just slides right into here. And then there's a pin in our owner's manual. 2 sizes of pins. There's a larger pin and a smaller pin. We're going to pick the larger one. And then whatever size or whatever height you want on your seat post, we're going to slide our pin through. And Now our seat post has been installed. The next step is the battery pack. The battery pack does charge separately. You can charge this off board the unit. The battery pack just sits in here. All you have to do is drop it in. Now, as I'm rolling the scooter, you might notice that the handle doesn't turn. That's because we have the steer lock on. If you do want to turn it for whatever reason, you're going to grab this knob here and turn it. And now I can push this wherever I want. Next, we're going to put the seat on. So here's our seat here. The seat has a post underneath, and all we do is drop this right in, and it should lock automatically. There is a handle on the right-hand side. If you pick up, the seat will swivel and lock every 45 degrees. We pull our seat back up. It's got this nice mesh back. Now we're going to install our arms. So also in our owner's manual, there's 2 smaller pins. You can put the pins through here once you slide them in back here. You don't have to. If you tighten the screw enough, it should be fine. But a lot of people like to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it in here. You might have to loosen the screw a little bit. And then slide it to however far apart you want it. Once you get it where you want it, go ahead and tighten it. We'll do the same thing to the other side. And finally is our basket. The basket sits up front. There is 2 little brackets here. It just slides on top of, just like that. And now we're gonna turn the power on. So the ignition is right up the front of the tiller here. We do have to remove this piece of sticker. And we're gonna put our key in, turn it to the right. And if your scooter is giving you a 5 beep code like this, and you try to drive it and it doesn't drive, that means we're still in neutral from when we were pushing it around earlier. We're gonna turn the power off, go back to that yellow lever and put it in a lock position that engages your brakes. You should not be able to push the scooter. I turn it back on, it's not beeping anymore, and the scooter drives. And here's our charger. To charge the scooter, you can charge it straight from the battery pack, or there's a charging port on the right-hand side underneath the tiller. You can also charge it here while the scooter is assembled. So this has been the unboxing and assembly of the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 portable scooter by Pride Mobility. If you like this video, or if you like this product, you want to order this product, or if you just have any questions, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.